What if building a better world began with a single signature? A world built on light instead of fear and hate, on true freedom instead of control, on love instead of division. A better world based on time-tested principles that consistently bring joy, peace, and safety for everyone. The Utopia Manifesto is not just a book. It's a covenant of conscience, a living invitation for each of us to rise and to rebuild and to remember who we really are. Your signature will become another light on a global map, a quiet witness that hope still burns in the hearts of humankind. Discover the divine principles of light, freedom, discipline, and love, and how to apply them in your own life, your family, your community, your country, and the world to follow a path toward a civilization worthy of heaven. Read it, reflect on it, and rebuild your life and the world around you. Visit utopiamanifesto.org and get your personal copy today at amazon.com.